Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone that says iPhone is findable and won't turn on. Alright, let's begin. First, charge your iPhone for at least 30 to 60 minutes using a genuine Apple charger. Make sure the charging cable and power adapter are working properly. If possible, try a different cable or charger to rule out a faulty accessory. If your iPhone supports wireless charging, place it on a compatible wireless charger for 30 to 60 minutes. This can help determine whether the charging port is causing the problem. Next, inspect the charging port for dust or debris. Use a flashlight to check inside the port and gently clean it with a non-conductive tool if necessary. A blocked charging port can prevent your iPhone from charging correctly. After charging, keep the iPhone connected to the charger and perform a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button. Continue holding until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears, then release the button. If your iPhone still doesn't turn on, leave it connected to the charger for a few more hours and try the force restart again. So that's basically how you can fix an iPhone that says iPhone is findable and won't turn on. That's it for this video. Thanks.